Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. For those who don't know me, my name is Tlholofalo Masetla, and to my regular Zagulars, welcome back to a new vlog, you guys. Today's Saturday, it's the 16th of November, and I'm about to put my makeup brushes into the washing machine. I know that's weird, but honestly, I don't think I can wash them one, so I'm gonna try put them in the washing machine. Obviously I'm gonna cover them in something and then put them in the washing machine, and then I'm also planning to do like my nails. I'm gonna do stick-on nails. It's not the first time I'm doing it, it's like the third time I'm doing stick-on nails. I usually go to the hair salon to do my nails, but guys, I don't know, man. Nails are just so expensive these days. There's no way. The last time I did my nails, I paid like 500 rand, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm just like, nope, that is way too much for me right now. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do my nails and see how long they last. So if they do last at least 3 weeks, then I should be fine every month to do stick-on nails. Because Nakona, the ones that I did for 500 rand, they only lasted 2 weeks. Like 2 weeks. Imagine. So I'm having breakfast manje. It's almost 2 in the afternoon and I'm only now having breakfast. It's a smoothie. It has berries, strawberries, pineapple, oats, and some milk. Doesn't have much taste, but that's okay because I've cut down on sugar and such things. Oh yeah, guys, let me show you my caddy with my makeup stuff. So this is where I keep my makeup, hair, and nail stuff. I know I need to sort it out. It's a mess. So I need to wash my makeup brushes because on Monday I'm going to work and I would love to do my face, but I can't with these dirty makeup brushes. Also, my face reacts really badly to dirty makeup brushes. So yeah, I need to sort that out real quickly. So I got this woolly bag that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna put the brushes in here, and then I'm gonna tie it and put it in the washing machine. Also, disclaimer guys, I have never ever done something like this. I usually wash my brushes like one, but because I'm so lazy today, I'm trying something here. Okay, I really hope it works. So I'm gonna pack them into this Woolies bag. Just gonna pack them. I don't know if you can see. Let me just do this so that you guys can see. So I'm gonna pack them in here. Guys, I can't tell if you can see because I'm using my back camera. Brushes, sponges, powder puffs, everything is in here, guys. I'm also gonna add this into the bag, and then I'm gonna use normal washing powder in the washing machine, guys. I really hope this goes well. I really do. Like, I'm crossing fingers, and I hope you guys are crossing fingers as well. Also guys, if it works, this is something that you can also try at home. We'll see. Anyway, let me put this in the bag and then go put it in the washing machine. When I get back, we're doing my nails. done with both hands. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a bit of glue on the nails here. So I'm gonna get rubbing alcohol and see if I can remove the residue of the glue on the nails, and then I'm gonna use what is this, top coat, and then I'm gonna put it under the LED dryer thing. So I'm just gonna go get rubbing alcohol and see if that works. Doing my nails. This is what they look like. They're not too bad. I mean, I could go outside with these nails. So the whole point of this is just to test to see how long they're gonna last, basically. So if they do last me like 2 or 3 weeks, then it should be something that I'm gonna do on a monthly basis, you know. So yeah, this is what they look like. Not too bad, you guys. I mean, they don't look the same, but you know, it's okay. So now I'm gonna put on some cuticle oil, and then after a few minutes I'm gonna wash my hands, put some lotion on them, and then I'm gonna go get my brushes. So they're done, the washing machine is done, and I'm gonna go get my brushes so we can see. It's time for, I hope you guys can see me, it's time for the reveal. My brushes. So this is the bag. See, not lying to you guys, this just came from the washing machine. I swear this just came from the washing machine. So yeah. Ooh, okay. Yeah, no, this is tight. Had to make it tight because I did not want any mistakes. Guys, oh my god. Let me show you. I want you guys to see what I'm seeing. I hope you guys can see. Can you see? Let me do this. Ta-da! Can you guys see? Oh my god, it worked! Guys, my phone is telling me about space, so I don't have much time. I wanted to show you my brushes. Oh my god, look at that. They are so clean. Look at my sponge. Wow. This is what I'm gonna do once a month. I swear, it's so soft. Look at that. Look at my, oh, look at the brushes. They're so clean. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm so happy. You guys have no idea. I've been dreading to wash my brushes for such a long time. Look at that. It's not 100% clean, but it's better than what it was before. This one is also not 100% clean. Even my small beauty blenders, you guys, that I haven't used in such a long time, they're also clean. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. My makeup is about to eat. So I'm just going to leave them here to just kind of air dry. And then I'll use them on Monday. Oh my god, this was like the dirtiest brush ever, because I use this for contouring and this side for blush. It was the dirtiest, and look at it now. Wow guys, I'm impressed. I'm happy. Anyway guys, that's it for today. I don't think I'm gonna do a video of myself cooking today because my phone is telling me about space. Yeah, so my phone is telling me about space, so I don't think I'm gonna do like a video of myself making dinner. I had planned to do that, but because my phone is telling me about space, I might have to rethink that or just move some things around on my phone so I can be able to take a video. Otherwise, if you guys don't see me later today, you're definitely gonna see me tomorrow. This vlog is gonna be out Monday morning. I promise you. So yeah guys, I'm so happy. My nails are gorgeous, my brushes are clean. If I was that girl, if I knew how to do my lashes, I'd definitely sit down right now and do my lashes, but I don't. But I'm gonna learn soon enough. So yeah, that's it. Some maintenance for the girl. Anyway, I'll see you guys either later or tomorrow. Yeah.